Do you use bleach in your home? Well, I'm curious. Let me hear from you in the comments. I'm going to go through some of the scary side effects. I've got 7 of them of using bleach and other chlorine products in your home, or maybe you're swimming in a chlorinated pool. This is going to be important for you. Okay, side effect number 1, it can displace iodine. Now, bleach, being chlorine, is in the halogen group on the periodic table, and these halogens can have very negative effects on our health because, especially that chlorine, it will displace our iodine, also another halogen, but that iodine is loosely bound. That iodine now we know that we need for number 2 on my list. Another scary side effect of using that chlorine bleach is that it can affect your thyroid, because now your iodine is displaced from that chlorine and your thyroid could be compromised in its proper function because it doesn't have that cofactor, that iodine, that it needs to run properly. Okay, number 3, another scary side effect is that it affects your breast health. So iodine is very important for healthy breasts, and one of the treatments of fibrocystic breast disease and breast health is actually to paint iodine right on the breast to help with those painful breasts. So iodine, super important for breast health. It's something that really needs to be looked into in terms of those correlations with your exposure to chlorine. Okay, side effect number 4 of using bleach is that it can affect your lungs. So if you're prone to spasm, asthma, if you're prone to upper respiratory tract infections, this is really toxic, especially when you're inhaling it, or even just being in an environment like in a pool, a chlorinated pool environment where it's closed in. Inhaling that chlorine really has a negative effect on your lung health. Okay, number 5 is it can affect your eyes. So if you've ever swam in a heavily chlorinated pool and you come out and you can't see, you've got that conjunctivitis, your eyes are very red and inflamed. Again, another side effect of that chlorine. Side effect number 6 is skin rashes. So as much as you may think that chlorine is very cleansing to the skin, and I'm actually shocked at some doctors that actually recommend a chlorine bleach for, their pediatric patients who have chronic skin issues and eczema. Not something that I recommend. Again, chlorine, being a toxic halogen, has negative effects on your overall skin microbiome. And number 7, another scary side effect of using bleach and chlorine is that it can alter your microbiome. So it can have negative effects on your digestion, on your digestive health, which we know has a lot to do with your immunity. Over 80% of your immunity comes from having a healthy gut. So this becomes very important as well, trying to avoid that chlorine, that bleach, whenever you can. Now, if you are suffering with a lot of gut health issues, digestive problems, I want you to check out my other video, How to Improve Digestion and Gut Health, and please let me know in the comments what your struggles are.